Imagine waking up to a mirror reflection that showcases radiant, glowing skin. Sounds like a dream, isn't it? Well, we're about to turn that dream into your daily reality. In today's video, we're unraveling the secrets of the ultimate morning skincare ritual. Stay tuned, because you're just moments away from discovering a routine that could transform your skin and boost your confidence. Get ready to glow like never before. Ever wondered how to achieve radiant, glowing skin? Today we're diving into the ultimate morning skincare ritual. Buckle up and prepare to be enlightened. Start your journey with a clean slate. Opt for a gentle cleanser suitable for your skin type. Apply it to damp skin and massage in circular motions. This step removes impurities and stimulates blood circulation. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat dry. After cleansing, balance your skin's pH level with a toner. Go for an alcohol-free option packed with hydrating ingredients like rosewater and chamomile. Apply it to a cotton pad and gently swipe across your face. This prepares your skin to absorb the skincare products more effectively. This is where we bring in the big guns for a radiant complexion. Vitamin C, an antioxidant powerhouse, brightens the skin and protects it from environmental stressors. Apply a few drops to your fingertips and gently press it into your skin. The delicate skin around your eyes deserves special attention. Using a cream loaded with peptides and hydrating ingredients, gently tap a small amount around the orbital bone. This reduces puffiness and dark circles and keeps your eyes looking refreshed. Now seal all that goodness with a moisturizer. Opt for a lightweight, hydrating product. Apply it evenly across your face and neck. This keeps your skin supple and prepares it for makeup should you choose to wear any. This is an essential step you cannot afford to skip. Protect your skin from UV rays to prevent premature aging and maintain a youthful glow. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF of at least 30 and apply it generously. Before we wrap up, here are some bonus tips for that extra glow. Consider incorporating weekly exfoliation to remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. Also, staying hydrated and maintaining a healthy diet rich in antioxidants can do wonders for your skin from the inside out. So there you have it. The ultimate morning skincare ritual for glowing, radiant skin. Remember, consistency and patience are your best friends in skincare. If you found this routine helpful and insightful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your skincare buddies. Comment below with your favorite morning skincare steps. Until next time, stay luminous and radiant. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Your support means the world. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, goodbye. And that's all for today's video. Let's do a quick recap of what we've covered. We began with an introduction to the ultimate glow routine, followed by a step-by-step guide through cleansing, toning, applying vitamin C serum, eye cream, moisturizer, and sunscreen. We also shared some bonus tips for that extra glow. Remember, consistency is key to seeing results. We encourage you to try this routine and share your experience with us in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Stay glowing and see you in the next video.